In the middle of Corona scare, we meet again today on 1st May 2020, and this is again for second year students, B.Ed, and I miss you all. You've been very sweet in your class all along, and you've been very interactive. In these video sessions, we of course miss the interaction part, and it's primarily a one-way traffic. I remember some of you have been very regular for this paper. Khushbu, I remember, has been very regular. She's taken down all the notes, and all of you who have missed these classes may contact her. Other students also, Pallavi, Prachi, they've been very sweet all along. Boys, Abhishek and Madan Pal and many others have been very good, interactive. Hemraj has been very quiet though, but he does his work regularly. Sandeep also has been very active in the classes. So I do remember you all, and I am waiting for your feedback also in case there is anything particular to be done. My earlier sessions have been very general because I did not have my syllabus in my hand. Today, as you can all see, I have my syllabus. So I will quickly run through some of the things that we did in the beginning classes, initial classes. So as you all know, the topic of this paper is reading and reflecting on texts. And this is course code D-17. And in the introduction part of the paper, we discussed that this is one of the core areas that schools focus upon, and the age-appropriate and fluent literacy skills are developed among students. Aspirant graduates who intend to make a career in education must be good readers and good writers in literal sense. Due to several reasons, a student teacher like you may not have adequate skills. What could be some of these reasons due to which you do not have, or many of you do not have adequate skills? One of the reasons, of course, is that our dependence on textbooks has reduced in a tremendous manner. We focus more on the internet and web, and we look up to Google for various kinds of references. Among the visually challenged students, they look up to audio material more than their textbooks, etc. So this way, their interest and motivation also for reading and writing decreases. So this paper is primarily a skill-based paper and activity-oriented paper. This paper is designed to give you an opportunity to look at reading, writing seriously. Your focus has to be on reading, writing, and relearn it as a professional activity. There are two key terms here. Relearn. I know many of you have had a lot of gap in your studies, and many of you in school might have been more serious in your reading, writing activities, whereas in college you may have overlooked it. So much has to be relearned so that you are prepared to teach it again to students. And it has to be professional. Your approach has to be very professional. What does this mean? This means that you have to be very skilled in your activity. You know that mistakes made by teachers are copied by students, aped by students. So you have to be very, very careful. So you have to relearn your skills, you have to make it professional, you have to adopt a professional approach towards it. And these skills are to be applied for students with special needs, enjoy it like never before. Children with visual impairment will require a lot of attention on your part. In fact, individual attention will have to be given to develop their reading and writing skills, and you as a teacher first has to hone, H-O-N-E, hone your own skills first, and then you will be in a position to impart these skills to the students. And this introduction part, of course, will remind you my first class, the beginning class on this paper, and we will step by step discuss more about it in the forthcoming sessions. And as you all know, we have to keep these sessions short because uploading video recordings on YouTube becomes a little difficult. So I have to really break my rhythm in between and finish the lesson in between, and this matter will be continued in the next session, which I record immediately after this.